Welcome to GTech Techno Solutions Private Limited. Now we will be studying about monohydroxy carboxylic acids. When alpha hydroxypropanoic acid reacts, it produces either lactic acid or beta hydroxypropanoic acid. Lactic acid is the main constituent of milk that has gone sour, and the natural source of this one is from the pyruvic acid, is the precursor in the organism, and it is also present in gastric juice, cucumbers or opium. Let us now discuss about the manufacture of lactic acid. Industrially, it is made from the fermentation of cane sugar or even by glucose. Adding a dilute solution of cane sugar, glucose or maltose, a little of sour milk, decayed cheese is added. Temperature must be maintained from around 40 to 45 degrees Celsius for 6 days. The Bacillus acidilacti, that's a bacteria, brings forth fermentation. Glyoxyl forms an intermediate compound. Acid is removed by the addition of calcium carbonate, which precipitates calcium lactate. It is filtered and decomposed with dilute sulphuric acid. The filtrate is distilled under reduced pressure, that is, cane sugar on hydrolysis produce glucose and fructose. Similarly, glucose on reaction in the presence of bile produces 2-methyl glyoxyl and 2 moles of lactic acid. Examples of acetylene. It is also prepared from synthesis from acetylene. Acetylene is prepared by striking an electric arc using carbon electrolytes in an atmosphere of hydrogen. This is passed through dilute sulphuric acid containing mercuric ion catalyst. Acetaldehyde is formed. It is later converted to cyanohydrin on treatment with HCN, which is then hydrolyzed to get lactic acid. That is, carbon on hydrogenation in the presence of electric arc produces acetylene. On reaction with dilute H2SO4 and 1% of mercury produces acetaldehyde. On further treatment with cyanide, it produces acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. And on reaction with dilute sulphuric acid, as shown here, we obtain lactic acid. It can also be prepared from propene, that is, when it is treated with chlorine to get 1,2 dichloropropane. This, when reacted with dilute sodium hydroxide, produces propane 1,2 diol. And furthermore, when propane 1,2 diol is oxidized, it produces lactic acid, as shown here. And it can also be prepared from hydrolysis of alpha bromopropanoic acid. Hydrolysis of alpha bromopropanoic acid using moist silver oxide gives lactic acid. Its main properties is that colorless syrupy liquid, hygroscopic and extremely soluble in water.